Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of registering for MetLife dental insurance in a beginner-friendly way. Follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure you have a smooth experience. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you begin the registration process, make sure you have all the necessary information handy. This typically includes your personal details, such as your full name, address, phone number, and email. You may also need your social security number and a payment method. Step 2. Visit the MetLife website. Open your web browser and go to the official MetLife website. You can do this by typing metlife.com into the address bar. Step 3. Navigate to dental insurance. Once you're on the MetLife homepage, look for the Insurance or Products tab in the main menu. Hover over that tab and select Dental Insurance from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a page dedicated to dental insurance options. Step 4. Explore plan options. Take your time to review the different dental insurance plans available. MetLife offers various coverage options to suit different needs and budgets. Make sure to read the details regarding coverage limits, in-network providers, and any exclusions to find the plan that's right for you. Step 5. Click on Get a Quote. Once you've chosen a plan that interests you, click on the Get a Quote button. This will lead you to a form where you will input your personal information, such as your age, location, and any dependents you want to include in the plan. Step 6. Fill out the application form. After receiving your quote, fill out the application form carefully. Ensure that all the information you provide is accurate to avoid any future complications. Step 7. Review your application. Before submitting your application, review all the information to confirm it is correct. Check for any typos or missing details that could delay your registration. Step 8. Choose your payment method. Select your payment method for the monthly premiums. MetLife typically provides options such as credit card, debit card, or bank account withdrawal. Choose the option that works best for you. Step 9. Submit your application. Once you're satisfied with your application, click the Submit button. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submission. Keep this email for your records. Step 10. Set up your online account. After registering, it's helpful to set up an online account with MetLife. This will allow you to easily manage your policy, make payments, and file claims. Follow the prompts on the MetLife website to create your account. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.